Hi guys, how's it going? My name's Ollie Roberts, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to do the frontside pop shove it. I'm awfully pleased with the feedback I've got on the other skateboarding trick tips I've made. If you haven't seen those, you can check them out by clicking up here and it'll take you to a playlist that I've made. So what is a frontside pop shove it? Whereas a regular pop shove it spins backside underneath you, the frontside pop shove it spins frontside. Simple. This trick can be a little tricky to figure out, can be a bit hard to rotate and keep underneath you, so hopefully in this video we'll be covering all those aspects so you can get a perfect frontside pop shove it. So the foot position for this trick. I like my front foot a bit further up than on ollie, with my toes hanging off the board like this. I just find this helps it easier to catch the board. And my back foot, I have it on the tail, a bit further back in line with the bolts, and I also like it in this little pocket round here. Not on the tip of the tail, around that area there. I find that this helps to get the board spinning frontside really easy, and that can help with the under rotation side of things. Okay, so to start the frontside pop shove it, you want to pop down and push the skateboard in front of you like this. And once you do that, you want to jump up, but you want to jump backwards. This is because the board is going to spin backwards away from you, and you want to keep that skateboard underneath you. So if you jump and jump backwards, this will ensure the board's spinning underneath you at all times because you will be following the skateboard. If that sounds like a lot to take in, just watch this super slow motion example. When you scoop it and jump backwards, this will ensure the board stays under you at all times. So when you're trying this trick and you're landing with both your toes on the ground like this, if you jump and follow the skateboard, you should land it bolts or relatively close to the bolts. So yeah, it can be a tricky one. It's just getting used to shoving the board the other way and jumping back at the same time. But once you figure out the timing of this trick, it works really nice. And once you've practiced and practiced and practiced, you can get the board just spinning perfectly underneath you every time. It's also a really good one to learn out of a grind, like a frontside 50-50 and a frontside 5-0. I would like to make trick tips for those, however I don't really have a ledge to make those kind of videos. So we'll just have to endure the flat ground that I've got here. But yeah, that pretty much sums up the frontside shove it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. That's it from me. I'll see you in tomorrow's episode where we'll be talking about the heel flip.